If people aren't taking your website seriously, they won't take your business seriously either. And the frustrating part is, most of the time, it's not your work. It's how your website feels. Here are the 3 things that instantly lower how seriously your brand is perceived. The first is lack of clarity. If someone lands on your website and can't immediately tell what you do, they disengage. Not slowly. Immediately. Because confusion doesn't create curiosity, it creates exit. The second is inconsistency. Different fonts, different spacing, different styles across pages. Individually, these feel small, but together they signal a lack of control. And when a website feels uncontrolled, it doesn't feel credible. The third and most important is lack of structure. Most websites are built piece by piece. Section added here, page added there, but high-performing websites are built as sequences. They guide someone, from interest to understanding to action. Without effort, when that structure is missing, people don't engage deeply, they skim, and then they leave. This is exactly why so many websites feel fine, but don't perform, because they're not structured to hold attention, they're just presenting information, and this is also why starting from the right foundation matters so much. A well-designed template already includes that structure, that hierarchy, and that flow. You're not trying to figure it out from scratch. You're refining something that already works. That's exactly how our luxury show-it website templates are designed. They're built to feel intentional, consistent, and structured from the moment someone lands on your site. And if you'd rather not build it yourself, we also offer white-glove website customization. We take one of our templates and build your entire site for you, so everything feels aligned from the start. If your website isn't being taken seriously, it's not random. It's these small signals adding up. And once you fix them, everything changes. You can explore our full collection of luxury show-it website templates below.